second comprehensive program started from 18th August till 29th of August has 10 modules and 42 sessions. These sessions have covered core assets through the case studies, group activities and projects given to the participants.
छोटी छोटी बातों से ही जिंदगी बनती है, हर बड़ी बात पे तो सिर्फ इम्तिहान है।
Program focused on 5 major global disasters: earthquake, landslide, heat wave, cyclone and floods. And this program had case studies, projects and group activities assigned to the participants so that learning is interactive and they are able to participate. This program has resulted in a good success.
एक्टिविटी होनी चाहिए, वो होनी चाहिए न्यूनीकरण मिटिगेशन।
These participants will act as an alumni as well as a brand ambassador who will go back to the states, and they will be acting as master trainers in the future as well. And I'm thankful to the support staff, all the participants and AD and IDM for patronage and the support helping, and thank you everyone.